Okay, so we are working on this assembly here of this is a main rotor assembly of a model of a CH53 Marine. This is the main rotor assembly. It's upside down. This is how it would be on the aircraft. And we have all of these. These are the mechanisms that the blades attach to, and then each blade is twisted according to what direction the pilot wants to go. So this thing is called a swash plate that adjusts the blades. As they come around, they turn to give the aircraft the lift on one side versus the other, etc. So the swash plate itself is painted metal colored, steel colored. This part here is steel colored, and these attachment points for the blade are gray, as is the background here, the canopy sort of that's over all of this. So we've glued all of these blade attachment items to the silver steel colored swash plate. So now what we have to do, if you look here, we have, let's see, there we go. We have the silver right there, right against the gray. We put a glue substance, basically a plastic welding substance right there. And when we did that, it gave a little bit of distortion to the paint. Okay, so the paint, the gray versus the steel color. So what we have to do is go through and touch up each one of these points and touch up the gray, any part that we may have missed in the initial painting. We're going to touch it all up because we're going to add more parts, and so we're going to touch it up while it is more accessible. So we'll touch up the gray first, and then we will touch up the steel color and make sure it is basically absolutely perfect before we glue another part on. And as our rule is, we will paint the gray tonight, and we will not touch this again until tomorrow, and then we'll paint the silver, and then we won't touch it again until the next day, and then we will glue the next piece in place. Okay, so that's the process here. I'm not going to bore you with painting it while we're filming, but that's the process we use, is just a minute attention to every single little detail as we build this model. And when it's all done, you will look at it and say, wow, that's really great. Okay, so there we are. Thank you for watching, and we'll show you what it looks like after we've touched up the gray paint.